Okay guys, today is the fourth day of our coding challenge, and today our task is to run that is a character replace method and a string manipulation. Okay, this is the simplest one. Let's go and get our SPC data. Okay, and this is for yesterday. Let's close it. And let's just say character replace .js. Now let's load it to our HTML. Then let's see if it is working. Yeah, we successfully loaded it to our link it to our HTML. So what we are just going to do, as I say, it is it is very simple. So let's just say we are going to just say let character equals to hello challenge. Okay. So what we are just going to do right now, if we try to show this, we can just say document dot write the character. And you can see we have it up here. But now let's change this hello to hi guys. So what we are going to do right now is just say character dot replace but okay, let's just say character dot replace hello to hi. So right now we are just going to have hi guys. I believe so. Let's check. Oh, sorry, it didn't replace. Let's just say assign it to we can cut it off here, then paste it inside this, just like this. So let's see what we have. You can see that it's replaced. Hi guys, this is day 4 of our coding challenge. Thank you for watching. See you next time.